Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix login error in Wells Fargo mobile app. If Wells Fargo won't let you sign in, the cause is usually network, app cache or blocked login. Here's the fastest fix. First of all, check Wells Fargo status. Search Wells Fargo outage or down detector. Then after that, close the app. Swipe up on iPhone and then look for Wells Fargo app and then swipe it away. Then reopen. This will clear temporary glitches. After that, you're going to turn off any VPN or private DNS and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues. Then if you're on Android, then just go ahead and clear cache. Go to settings, then go to apps, then search for Wells Fargo, then go to storage and then hit clear cache. Now on iPhone, go to settings, search for storage, then scroll down, look for Wells Fargo app and then offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now you head over to your app store, search for Wells Fargo app and then make sure to update the app to the latest version. Use forgot password or username if credentials fail. Tip: if using a work or school network, try mobile data. Corporate firewalls often block banking logins, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.